Hello and welcome to Lojo. Real quick, I'm going to go through this lead estimation report and try to keep it as brief as possible. All right, in this lead estimation report, we're going to go through 7 different steps to basically tell us this is how many people we could expect to become leads that are interested in the service that a company offers. And the medium that we're going to use is Google Ads in order to go through this identification process. First step in here, we need to identify what is the service offering. In this example, this is going to be for a residential property management company. So for a residential property management company, we would need to know specifically what types of services they offer, as well as what is the geographic area in which they offer it. In this particular scenario, we're going to be looking at the greater Sacramento area for Sacramento, Stockton, Modesto, of about 7 million potential individuals that are in that area, and we're going to boil it down from there. After we have a set of keywords and we have a geography, we can see how many people within that geographic area are searching for the things that you would want to be found under. And that's what we have here as far as monthly average searches. These numbers over here give us an idea of what it costs in order to get in front of those people that are searching for the services. So we take that information as well as this other information on average click-through ratio and conversion ratio, and I'll touch on those in a second in the next slide. But these are the industry averages for the real estate industry, and we input that information into a tool. Now, since we're familiar with the property management industry, this will be a little bit different because these numbers are a little bit truer as far as the click-through ratios and the conversion ratios. But what we're showing here is we put that information of in the greater Sacramento area, for these particular services, there's about 16,000 different impressions that are available. And that means that ads that come up or times that your advertisement would be seen. We then adjust this impression share to about the 70% level. And I won't go into all the reasons why we do that because it would take a few minutes. So I'm trying to keep this short. But we adjust that to about the 70% ratio. So that means about 11,000 people would be able to see the ad. And if we have a click-through rate of 5%, that means that 572 clicks would be expected within a given month. The average cost for each click is around the $3.50 range. And then that equals an ad budget of about $2,000 if we're rounding. Then with the conversion ratio, that means that we have a 2% conversion of those 572 people that click through. That means the conversion equals they get to a landing page where they actually see your service, and then they can give information. They pick up the phone and call, whatever it is. About 2% of those should convert into a lead, which means that for a $2,000 budget per month, we could anticipate about 11 leads, which puts us at about $173 for the cost of acquisition, for the cost per lead. And you can see these numbers are going to change over the period of, say 3 months as a campaign is adjusted and things like that. Numbers may go up as far as spend, but the average cost per acquisition or cost per lead, that goes down because the campaign is being refined over a period of time. So that's what these numbers are all about. That's what this report looks like. And we're happy to run this report and give it to you so that you can have an idea of this or gauge the interest level as well as a kind of anticipated number of leads that would come in with an rough estimated